Alright gang, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to generate land formations using bitmaps in 3ds Max. So this is the end result that you might be trying to generate. So you can see that it's got good land formation and out across the water. So how do we do this? So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to generate a nice big work plane. So let's go 10,000 by 20,000. And for the purpose of this, we want a lot of segments. So to get nice square segments, I've gone for 200 by 400. As you can see there, it gives us a nice little grid. So if you press F4 as well, you can remove those grid lines. So going back to our bitmapper, there's a free website called Tangram. It's pretty good. It gives you nice bitmaps at the moment. I've got the exposure on just so you can sort of see the outlines, but you can include mapping lines and also point placement. So if you're looking to get somewhere more specific, so for the purpose of this episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the North Shore of Sydney. So I'll go do the Manly area. So when exporting, it's important to turn these mapping lines off, and then just make note up on the top right of the elevation, and you'll see why in a moment. So if we export that one, and we got to going down. So if we open back up 3ds Max, what you can do is you open up the materials palette by pressing M, and you can simply just drag that one across and place it in here. So that generates your bitmap there. So on the plane, you need to go across to the modifiers list, and you want to use displacement. So there are a few different ones, but just click on the normal displace, and you need to give it a reference as to what you're displacing. So if you grab the map and drag that across and place it onto the map, for the purpose of this, do keep it as an instance and then press OK. And then you go up here, and if you reference, the strength is the max elevation. So those two numbers should match. So that'll be the max height. Now, you'll notice that due to the position that we've chosen, it actually is quite flat. So you can see like the general land formations there. What you can do is, if you increase the strength, you can exaggerate them more. So you do have manual control over this. So if you start increasing your strength, you can see how you can get those more exaggerated land formations. But if you're trying to get something accurate, keep it as the same number that you had when you were exporting, because that's just giving you the correct height. Okay, so that is the end of the tutorial. You can see that we've created this land formation, and that is so quick and so easy, and a great little tip and useful to do with 3ds Max. Thank you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.
Don't just sit there. Hit like and subscribe.